Today we are going to see about phrasal verbs. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a combination of 2 or 3 words to make a phrase with a single meaning. These phrasal verbs are in the combination of a verb and an adverb, or a verb and a preposition, or a verb and an adverb and preposition. Let's see the first type, that is the phrasal verb in the combination of a verb and an adverb. This type of phrasal verb is called particle verbs, and it can be transitive or intransitive. We can see some examples. We will have to put off the meeting. He was late because his car broke down. Some of the adverbs most commonly used with the verbs are around, at, away, down, in, off, on, out, over, round, up. Let's see some examples. The book first came out in 1997. The meeting went on till 6:30 p.m. The plane took off an hour late. Let's see the second type now, that is the combination of a verb and a preposition. This type of phrasal verb is called a prepositional verb. It cannot be separated and it requires their helper preposition and can't be used without them, and it needs a direct object. For example, he is looking after the dog. Did you talk about my project? Here we can't separate the words looking and after or talk and about. That gives no meaning. And these sentences needs the direct object, the dog and my project. Some of the prepositions most commonly used with verbs are for, to, about, with, of, in, at, on, from, by, after. Let's see some examples. Why did you call off the meeting? Dora is waiting for Pooja. I calculated that he would arrive at midnight. In these sentences, call, waiting and arrive are verbs. Of, for and at are prepositions. So they are used as the phrasal verbs in these sentences. Third type, that is the combination of a verb and an adverb and a preposition. This type of phrasal verb is called a phrasal prepositional verb. There is always a direct object and it cannot be separated. Let's see some examples. We have run out of eggs. I won't put up with your attitude. In the first sentence, run out of is a phrasal verb. Run is a verb, out is an adverb and off is a preposition. These three words combine together and gives a single meaning, that is exhaust. See, in the second sentence, put up with is a phrasal verb. Put is a verb, up is an adverb and with is a preposition. These three words combine together and this is a phrasal verb and this gives a single meaning, that is tolerate. Some of the phrasal prepositional verbs most commonly used with verbs are do away with, look up to, keep up with, put up with, run up against, look forward to, cut down on. Let's see some examples. His doctor told him to cut down on sweets. She walks so fast, I can't keep up with her. I look up to my parents. Hope you understand the phrasal verbs. Thank you so much for watching my video.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, press like, share and subscribe for more videos.